Well guys, that's a little receive amplifier that I built there today, this evening. It's just basically built around a 2N2222 transistor. Runs on one 9-volt battery. You got input on one side, output on the other, and it's doing roughly about 20 dB. So you got an on and off switch right here. Got to put an LED in it. I haven't done that yet, but so this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I say, it runs on one 9-volt battery. So what I got here, that's the 9-volt battery, obviously. Made a little aluminum battery holder, a old piece of aluminum. I got a little relay down here that switching between either the amplifier, the amplifier either being turned on or turned off. So basically it's switching the antenna line between amplified or not amplified with the contacts, and diode put across the relay. The amplifier is built on this little circuit board, 2N222 sitting right here. A little inductor put here, but that is pretty much it. It works very well. Got a little bit of BCB, broadcast, or I should say broadcast band interference a little bit. I got to build a little filter. I tried building the filter inside of this thing, but it didn't seem to want to work that well. So I'm going to have to build an external BCB filter for this. See, it runs on one 9-volt battery, which is pretty decent. So anybody can build this thing. It's not difficult. I would suggest that if you do build it, to build it inside a steel enclosure, piece of metal or aluminum box or something to help shield it. Obviously is an amplifier. Amplifiers like to amplify pretty much anything and everything. So if you can cut down on the any interference being brought into the enclosure in the circuit, is always good. So I'm just putting the screws back into it. But that is the amplifier. A little steel box there, so I built it in that. So I'll show you the circuit now. So the circuit that I used is basically the same circuit that I use for my little 2N3904 receive amp. This fella here that you see me use a good many times. Little audio amplifier. And the difference between that one and the antenna amplifier, the audio amplifier is using two electrolytic capacitors, two 10 microfarad capacitors, whereas the antenna preamplifier are using a couple of ceramic capacitors. So you could try, I don't know, could try electrolytic, I suppose, but the with ceramic 0.04 on the input, same thing on the output. The emitter goes to ground. You got a 100K resistor across the base and the collector, and you got a 10K resistor feeding the 9-volt battery to the collector of the 2N222 transistor. So it works pretty well. So if you want to build yourself a little receive amp, even for your CB radio for that matter, put it on the receive side of the circuit. Build this little circuit here, You have a little receive amp for your radio, CB, or I'm not sure how well it'll work on VHF or UHF. Probably won't at all. Doubt it. But for HF, little circuit here seems to work pretty good. And from what I'm done a bit of research there, and I'm getting roughly 20 dB, 20 dB gain, 20 dB gain on this on the incoming signal. So that's quite the improvement, I gotta say. And the little PCB filter that I'm going to build, or try to build next, will be this one. So you got 3 capacitors and 2 inductors. So I might build this one external. I tried building internal. It didn't seem to work that well, so I might run it on external. Try that. But anyway, yeah. If you want a easy, cheap, simple little preamp for your receiver, for antenna preamp, right here. Give it a try. It's a very easy circuit, and takes no time at all to build it. The biggest part of building it is having a nice little case to build it into. So anyway, that's my weekend project. Anyway, folks, 7-3, and catch you on the next one. All the best.
في مواد عدم الشفاء وسائل شرية وغير لي حياته كلها. إذا كان الله دان مع هذا الشخص هذه معجزة، ومكان هذا الشخص هذا مازال ما عادش المسيح.
And they had no choice but to announce a temporary suspension of them.
To be honest, from an outsider's point of view, I think it's easy, or it's...
Manchester at 2120. Automated observation. Wind 180 degrees. 3 knots. Wind varying between 130 degrees and 70 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers.
Jesus did not ask us to believe that he would be raised from the dead. He did not ask us to believe that he was born of a virgin.
$7.
Yeah.
People would come to me for the $30 chicken for the bigger one, but that's conspicuous consumption at that level.
No, that's a pretty big margin there.
Yeah, people have, it's similar to the property situation. It's expensive to construct housing. It's expensive. So many, like, we feel like we're so civilized and advanced, but it's all coming down to food and shelter. And the fact is, historically, food and shelter.
Sim, ok, muito bem. Pois o pelo aqui chega sempre porque é assim.